using the wizard mode Blanket Purchase Agreement. Click OK if you want to use this mode on an existing sheet. Then switch to a tab with the corresponding template. The existing tab mode is located at the top of the sheet. If the mode doesn't match the template you are using, the wizard will tell you. Using this mode, you will be able to create blanket purchase agreements and update them. The sections available are similar to the Oracle form. This dataset is almost ready, but we still have to add some information on the blanket purchase agreements. Let's add some attachments to the blanket POs. You can type or copy-paste the attachment info or double-click to bring up the attachment user form. You can add multiple types of attachments. Choose an attachment category. If you want to attach a file, select it from your computer. After being uploaded, this file will be stored against your blanket POs in your Oracle instance. Other attachment types are short text, long text, URL. Let's add some price break information to these blanket purchase agreements. You can type the data in, copy-paste from an external report or an existing blanket PO. You can also use any standard Excel functionality like formula, macros to enter your dataset. When the dataset is ready, choose the process option Create. The wizard will create these new blanket purchase agreements. Then upload the dataset. The wizard always starts with validation and then upload valid records to the Oracle interface tables. The blanket POs are in pending status. Submit the import program to transfer them to the Oracle form. Click on the ellipsis to check the defaulted program parameters. Click on Submit, then click on View Requests to monitor the concurrent program. Click on Refresh to see the last status of the concurrent request. Finally, click on Refresh Sheet to update the statuses on the workbook. Now that the blanket POs exist in Oracle, you can upload the attachments. The attachment status will confirm the attachments have been successfully uploaded against the blanket purchase agreements.